Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. It's just a bunch of like random items, no category in particular, so I just wanted to share them with you all. So if you're a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for returning. And if you are new, we love to do a lot of Dollar Tree oriented content on this channel. So if that's your thing, you're definitely in the right place. I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below, as well as a recent video I did about Dollar Tree raising their prices here in the upcoming future. So I'll have that linked down below as well if you're interested in hearing that. That's a more recent video of mine. So yeah, I do hope that you'll subscribe and become one of my Dollar Divas. And without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So I'm gonna start with kind of beauty items first. Like I said, there's all kinds of things in this haul. So I will share these with you first. I needed some more body wash. So I picked up this White Rain Moisturizing Body Wash. This is in Lavender Escape, and it's a big bottle. It's 15 ounces. It smells really nice. I've never used it before, but wanted to give it a try. The body wash that I'm just getting ready to finish up now is from the Dollar Tree as well. It's from Lady Speed Stick, and it's really nice. I really like it. They had that there as well, but I wanted to try something new. So I picked up some more body wash, a staple item, of course. And then they had some new LA Colors makeup, or some of it looked like kind of repackaged. So I just picked up what I thought I did not, so I just picked up what I did not have. So you may have seen these little LA Colors quads at your Dollar Tree, and I picked up all four. I picked up Rose, Smoky, Bare, and Heat. So I just swatched that last one. The colors seem to be really creamy, really nice. And yeah, so I know I've already done like a Dollar Tree fall makeup look, but I might do another one here because I really haven't done like this kind of a color story with fall makeup yet. So yeah, I might use one or two of these for a Dollar Tree fall makeup look tutorial. But yeah, I saw these, just wanted to pick them up and give them a try because it's not very often I see new LA Colors eyeshadow, especially quads. I've got, if you've been on my channel, you'll know I have a couple quads that I got last year, and they are wonderful. Probably the best quality LA Colors eyeshadow that I've tried. So I'm very hopeful about these as well. So we will definitely try them and we will see. So yep, picked up one of each. So I just had to get a new phone. That's why I haven't really posted much on Instagram, because my camera went out on my phone and my flashlight and all that stuff. So I just went ahead and got a new phone. It had been a while. So of course I had to get a new case because I went from a 7 Plus to an 11 Pro or something like that. Same size phone, just needed different cutouts for the camera and all that stuff. So I had to get a new ring. And this is one of the best items you can buy at the Dollar Tree. So I already put it on my phone because I couldn't wait, but this was the packaging. And I've had my other phone for like over 2 years, like 2.5 years. So this was my old one that I got at the Dollar Tree. It has stayed on there, has never come off. You just, of course, you clean. I use like an alcohol pad or something. Then you stick this on, and that has been on there tight ever since. And I like the ring better than the pop socket because I'm just gonna tell myself this is horrible. But when I'm in the pool, I sometimes talk on the phone. And I don't really have anywhere to set my phone down because it's like above ground pool. I have no deck around it or anything. And so I can like latch my hand onto this ring and like hold it, you know what I mean? So I just really like, I've missed the ring. I had a pop socket on this for about 2 days, didn't care for it. And so yeah, I just really like this. So yeah, one of the best things you can buy at the Dollar Tree, in my opinion. This particular one, which is really cute, it's like a tie-dye. It was actually in the front of the store where they usually have all like the unicorn stuff and kind of the kitty, colorful, fun stuff. So yeah, I was really happy that they still had these. So yeah, this is the second one I've purchased and love them. So also in that same area where they sell like a lot of the kids stuff, the colorful, bright, I don't even know, like little signs, little makeup cases. It's just the cute little area of the Dollar Tree, and I always get sucked in looking at everything. So this is the third one of these that I am purchasing because I love these pens. It's just one of these little diamond pens, and I had one that ran out that I had for over a year. I have another one that I'm using, and then this one here. So you just twist it open. It feels good in the hand. It's pretty. Like I said, I have one that has lasted for a long time. So just a pretty thing to have laying around the house in my little holder here on my vanity. So I love these pens, and yeah, like I said, this is the third one I'm buying, so I really, really, really like these. So something else that I purchased, I usually do have these like near where like my litter boxes are, and I get all different types of scents, and this is my first time buying this particular scent. One of these little scent things, and this is the Snuggle Super Fresh in Spring Burst, and so it just smells really nice, really fresh. So yeah, I bought 2 of these. That way I can have one near where like my litter boxes are and all that good thing. So yeah, these are kind of staples of mine. And I'd never tried this scent before, so I'm excited to have this where it needs to be. So, you know, every now and again you might need to cut like a pill in half, but you're never gonna run out and go buy a pill cutter. Like, it's just not something you're gonna buy. It's like the kind of thing you have to buy when you're thinking of it or when you see it. And sometimes I like to cut like my allergy pills in half, because if I do take an allergy pill, I don't always want to take a full allergy pill for my voice, all that stuff. I sound like Roz from Monsters, Inc., and I'm just so sorry about it, but it's the way it is. But I saw this and I wanted to give it a try. It's from the brand Premier Plus, and it's a tablet cutter. So I'm gonna see how it works. It may not work well at all, or it might work like a charm. And yeah, it's just the kind of thing that you almost have to kind of buy it when you see it, because when you need it, you're not gonna run out and buy one. So yeah, I just thought this might be handy to have around the house for that odd occasion that I might need to do that, and who can beat it for $1? Given that it works, I'm sure it will probably work just fine. But so it's like this little kind of a container. So then you open it up like this. Oh, I see, and then the blade is right there. And then what you do is you place your pill here. It clearly says that. Then I guess you put it down on the table and you go like that. And it catches any of the residue or anything, the little pieces that might go flying, like if you try to do it with a knife. So I will definitely let you know how it works. So then I was in like the kitchen area, just kind of browsing, and I really kind of decided I don't really have a good spoon rest. And the color scheme of our kitchen's changed over the years. So I just picked up this just very plain, white, simple spoon rest. And they also had red and black, I believe. So I picked up white, and I may be going back to get more of these. It's pretty heavy duty. It's like a hard plastic. So yeah, super excited. Like I said, I might buy a couple more of these and kind of get rid of the old ones that I have. Then these caught my eye as well. These are the Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths. So this is what they look like. There's 2. They're good for wood, glass, leather, electronics, and auto. You can use them wet or dry. They're highly absorbent, soft material. Apparently they are made from recycled materials. You can machine wash them in warm water, and they feel like they probably won't leave like streaks or lint or anything. They're kind of thick but kind of thin, if that makes any sense at all. So yeah, I'm very excited to try these. Again, I will let you know. I'm kind of long overdue for a favorites and fails video, so yeah, I'll let you know, but they did catch my eye. And then last but not least is storage. I need storage baskets and containers like I need a hole in the head, but I'd never seen these before, and I really liked them and thought, you know, surely I've got to be able to use them for something at some point. So, now granted, they would make like good gift baskets, but I'm not really that person, so I'll probably use them at some point in the house. They kind of look like a weaved basket, but of course they're plastic. They're a decent size. I don't know if the measurement is in here. It is not, but it's a really nice size, not too big, not too small. And yeah, so I bought 2. I think they had other colors too. I want to say they had black. Of course, I just picked up the white because it looks so high end. So yeah, I bought 2 of those. So thank you for joining me for another Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, this one was just some random items, and I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. Also, if you know someone that loves Dollar Tree haul videos, definitely share this video with them. Like I said, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below so you can binge watch all of my Dollar Tree oriented videos. Lots of hauls, lots of makeup, get ready with me's, all that kind of thing. So definitely check that out if you love videos like this. And let me know, have you seen any of these items at your local Dollar Tree recently? I know things have been kind of hard to find recently with the shipping container unloading kind of disaster thing that's going on. Where, you know, a lot of our store shelves aren't stocked very well, all that mess. But anyways, let me know if you've seen any of these items at your store. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.